Okay guys, so accidentally na-delete ko yung na-edit ko na version nito, pero ito, nire-edit ko para lang dito. So we're redoing this, so ito na nga, dito na kami sa sa airport. Then the things you do in airport, we did that of course, duh. So di ko pa rin nasabi sa intro because ang dadal ko, papunta po kami sa Vietnam. Where are we going?
Vietnam.
Ano?
Feeling.
Sino?
Ikaw?
Says you.
Hi guys! Ang sakit na po ng paa namin, pero ako nakaupo.
Then here, we're about to go to the boarding gate. Pero actually, before kami umalis, nag-Starbucks muna kami. Hindi ko yun na-videoan, so sorry guys. So ayan, nandito na kami sa Vietnam. We took a bus on the way to the airport. Welcome to Da Nang. Here we are now about to go to our tour bus. Once we got inside, of course, we met our tourist guide. Bus of Jowa, bawal tayo dyan, guys. Then straightly arrived at our breakfast. Ang ganda ng view dito sa loob ng restaurant na to. Parang kasama na siya sa tour kahit hindi naman siya like actual place to go into. One thing I've noticed from Vietnam is that mahilig sila sa food na yung like something like a dahon or leaves. Like, basta gulay siya. And it's like commonly used sa kanila. And yung taste ng leaves na yun, or like, let's say gulay, it's like sabon. Kaya parang hindi siya, ang uncomfortable niyang kainin. Pero, I respect it rin naman. So, yes. Anyways, here's a small montage sa mga view dito sa Vietnam that I really liked. So, andito na tayo sa our first tour place. Siyempre, hindi ito matatawag na tour kung hindi tayo pagod, di ba? Kanina pa po ako inihi.
Okay, follow me, got you. Meeting place. And 8:45, we come back here. 8:45, we come back here. See over there.
For anything, ano ka na muna. Kahit ihing-ihi na, video na muna, siyempre. Kasi, importante ang documentary because that's my job. As you can see, this was like a really long walk.
It is very hot and my foot is like this.
Ito na kasi yung entrance papunta sa cable car. Pero what's really good here is that even wala ka pa dun sa pupuntahan mo, madami na talagang magandang tignan dito.
I feel something. Like, I feel like shitting. Oh no. So bad.
Ayun na, finally nasa cable car na kami. Then we went inside, of course. This is the longest cable car I've ever been in, I think. Pero alam ko naman that sa like description, I think sa mga Google, I think nakasabi naman na ito talaga ang one of the longest cable car ito sa mundo.
Ay, ano kaya di longest mo?
Longest kaya nila?
Sobrang andan ni Sean. Sean.
Nagslunog
Oh,
yun.
Sean.
Di man? Sa Sukayan.
It's so long, everyone. It's 45 minutes na.
Ata mo di longest.
Uy, mapangkal kita sa...
The hand, guys, the hand. That's the hand. We are here. Then after this is our destination. Pumunta na kami sa itaas at tumingin-tingin ng view. Syempre yung hand, the famous hand. And oh my god, it was like so majestic. Like just look at the view, it's so ethereal. Dahil pa wala na fake ko. Nag-recover pa na ako sa Vietnam. Oh my god, may nakarinig. Me and my kuya went to different places din dito sa place na to. Kasi it is really big and there are a lot of things to capture or like went into. So we explored a lot. However, our time here was very short. So we had to come back in the meeting point. Syempre because there's a schedule, right? So this is another different cable car ride where we're going to another place, which is itong castle na to.
Let's go.
So here we are in the palace castle where we are gonna eat lunch.
Maganda dito guys, pero like, hindi ko masyado na-video kasi I'm in the middle of something.
Okay, here's a little montage of the buffet. Ian, we went outside the palace to check out what there is outside of it. Then nag-explore kami. Pero of course, ako si Julian the Explorer. Mas madami pa ako napuntahan sa aking pamilya. And I'm gonna show it to you in another montage. Sinulit ko na po yung 5%, guys. So ito, pabalik na po kami sa last destination. Then after the last destination, which is the hand, magka-cable car kami ulit papunta naman sa ibaba, sa ground na. Because tapos na ang sked namin dito. So, yes. It's always fun kapag pababa na sa cable car because pababa na siya, mas fun siya. Thank you so much.
na ako.
Okay, hi guys. I have a lot of pictures on the Golden Hand Bridge. That's very nice.
After pinunta kami dito sa shop with a lot of coffees and a lot of other foods in the culture, which is really fun. I really like the salt coffee. So here we are in the hotel na. So we had just a couple of hours to magpahinga, and then after we went outside to eat dinner.
Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Slowly.
So yes, di ko masyado na-enjoy yung food because I don't like seafood. But yeah. Here comes the sun. This one naman we have next is that we're gonna go in a ano nga yun? A cruise ship boat that it's gonna showcase the city, and we're basically gonna see the nightlife in this city. So yes, that's it.
Finish after 1 minute. They love pickle onion. Oh, I never. And John, a restaurant, you will in the hotel. You
So next stop for day 2, andito po tayo sa like a shop. And then meron dito is like a strong fabric with like mga bed sheet, pillow sheet, ganun. Basta magaganda dito. And parang dito sa shop na to, in-explain niya kung how these are made, and that in here, it is original. So, yeah, as you can see, maganda siya. Maganda yung mga quality, and it's soft. That's why I think we enjoyed it, and we actually bought plenty of it. Like, plenty of their products.
Hoi An, Old Town, and then we have massage.
And here we are in Chua Lin Eng. Sorry for my pronunciation, but we're here in another place which definitely has some cultural background in it. We'll see that Buddha is here, and a laughing Buddha, and the view in here is actually really great. Now now, dito naman na, papunta na kami sa aming lunch. Then right after, we got into some place, and it's another shop. I really didn't expect na pupunta kami sa maraming shops during this tour because, well, you know, it's a tour. So, it's understandable na may mga shops here and there. Pero, parang nasobrahan ng shops. And I was shocked. And I didn't really like the tone of our tour guide's voice na sinasabi na puro lang budol lang ngayon ng budol, Pilipino ka ngaya, sasabihin mo ay wala ka ng pera pero bumibili ka pa rin, ganun. I didn't like that tone. I didn't like the way he said that. I didn't like it. Anyways, here's our new destination. Dito po tayo sa Hoi An Kamta. Now this is one of the things that should be in a destination of a tour because this one is really nice. I feel like maraming tao na gusto talaga makatry itong mga boats na to and gustong mahilo sa mga ride na ganito. And I really enjoyed it, although I did not experience the circle sa boat because I feel like hindi ako naiintindihan ng kuya kasi barely lang kasi sila English. Parang hindi karamihan sa kanila marunong mag-English. So I understood. So it's okay. But here's a sneak peek of everything. The sneak peek. Dito na rin pala kami kumain. Kaya pala, gusto niyo palagi na So, sunod naman, pupunta na kami sa market. Hong An! On the way to Naga. Hi guys, today we are in Hong An.
Ay, amo. Ay.
Mamaya gagawin din namin dyan yung and unless they see the light. Manakan. Then after that, pumunta kami dito sa spa. And first time ko to mag-massage. And after that, I realized lang on that same day na madami pala ang aking tickles. So, the whole journey ko sa spa na to is natitickle lang ako habang namamassage. And nahihiya na ako kasi pati yung babae napapansin. And hindi siya marunong mag-English kaya hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. Pero whatever. So yeah. Again. Because apparently, kailangan ang breakfast every day but I don't even like eating. The next day, this is our last. So, dito, pumunta kami sa kung saan naman. Sa city naman kami. I forgot to mention pala, palagi pala sila nagpapainom sa amin ng mga coffee like iced coffee. Which masasarap kasi ang coffee nila dito. So, I can't blame them. Parang tradition na rin nila ito kasi palagi sila nagko-coffee din. So, yes. Dito naman, our next destination is another shop which ang pinagana dito is, pinamamili naman nila dito is mga, dito pala yung fabric and mga sheets which I'm sorry for being wrong.
Ma'am!
Oh, diba? Nabudol na naman. Yan gusto nila eh. Next up, we ate for lunch. Then after lunch, pumunta naman kami sa shop which contains with jewelries. Ito mga reaction ng Pinoy kapag natatranslate na ng English ang sinasabi ni Manoy. Next up, papunta naman kami sa Danang City. And ngayon naman, ang gagawin na natin, ito na ang last, is that mag-aano tayo, magsasakay tayo ng tricycle bang tawag or pajak? Yeah, they call it tricycle. And it was really, really fun. Because, wala lang, it was fun because nasa city kami and we're like, doing all of that. It feels like we're racing and at the same time nagjo-joyride lang naman. Pumunta rin kami sa church ng Danang and ito na ipapakita ko na ang mga fun things na nangyari.
Are you ready for it?
Let's go tricycle. I feel so. This is yours. I'll send for more. Can't take the phone. They'll take it on. This is yours. New York City. Tricycle nila, pajak namin. Lala! Lala! The Catholic Church, going in, going out.
Shit, it's raining so bad. It's raining so bad, guys. Oh no. It's raining so bad. Let's go, everyone. We back. Lala. Hey, I'm sweating here. I'm wet. I'm wet. Thank you so much.
After that, pumunta kami dito. Probably our last destination. Then, yeah, after that, bumili kami ng pasalubong. And then, dun na, pumunta na kami sa kakainin namin for early dinner. Throughout this whole journey, nakainan namin sa Vietnam, puro sila seafoods, while I don't eat seafood that much, or let's say, I don't really eat seafood. Pero, hindi naman kasi ako yung taong kung hindi ko gusto ang pagkain, hindi ko kakainin. So, I'm always go with the flow. But, seafood is not my favor. Yun lang. So, that's the struggle of being budol. Yes. Yes. Congratulations. More to come. So, ito na. Sa airport na kami. And I've been dying to skip in this part already. Kasi tinatamad na ako mag-edit. And may 8 pa akong out of country na i-edit. So, rush na ako. Say bye! At ayan na, dyan na magtatapos ang videong ito dahil nasa Pinas na kami. And may 4 pa akong ipopost sa out of country namin dito sa YouTube na to. And it has been a struggle. Lalong-lalo na while editing my vlogs, ine-edit ko rin ang vlogs ng aking kapatid for her YouTube as well. So, I'm so sorry if this edit may look lazy. And from there, dun na matatapos. So, hope you guys liked it. And hoping for you to subscribe the channel and ring the bell for more notifications. And like this video as well, means a lot. So, thank you and goodbye. Till next time, God bless you all. God bless your day. Thank you so much.